if you're brand new to my channel. My name is Linda. Now, my channel is usually all about having fun with style and fashion and sometimes nails and skincare. Well, today it has absolutely nothing to do with any of those things. It's going to be about me cleaning my kitchen floor. Now, I know that that sounds strange, but we're content creators here on YouTube, so I thought, hey, let me just go ahead and film it, and maybe it might help somebody else if it actually works. So here's the thing. Years ago, I wanted travertine tile on my floors, but I didn't want the expense of travertine, nor did I want the upkeep because you have to constantly take care of it. So I got a beautiful travertine looking floors, but I hate that it looks dirty all the time, especially like the grout area. And I scrub it and I mop it and I scrub it and I mop it, and still it looks yucky. So I was listening to my friend Sheila when she did a video, and she swears by this Clorox cleaning bleach gel to clean her tile on her floor, especially the grout. Now, it's actually a bathroom cleaner, but I'm going to give it a try, Sheila. So I already have this one, but my friend Ella was telling me her husband uses, I think it's Simply Green. So I may try that too, but I said I already have this one. Let's give it a try. Let's see if it works, guys. If you want to see, keep watching. Oh my gosh, I'm such a YouTuber. I started filming this and then I thought, okay, can you see I start putting it down in the cracks? And then I thought, well, you probably want to film it because you may want to show a before and after. So that's what I'm doing. See how no matter how I get down and scrub, it still looks dirty in the cracks. I hate that. All right, so I've got it all saturated, and I'm going to go out for my walk, and then we'll come back and scrub it. So it would probably sit at least an hour, so I think that would be good soaking time. I might let it soak a little bit longer. But anyway, headed out for my walk. It's about 7:40. Okay, can you believe sometimes I'm such a ding-dong? I was actually using this. And it was working, but my back was like, girl, no, I don't think so. So then common sense struck me, and I said, oh, go get your brush that has a long handle. So that's what I'm using now. And it looks like it's working pretty well. Just little splashes of water and some elbow grease in there. Yeah, I think it's going to work pretty well, Sheila. I am going to, sorry guys, I'm going to finish this up. Then I'm going to mop it, but then I think I'm going to take out my little Shark steam mop and see, you know, if that'll clean it even better. All right, I'll keep you updated. Well, the floor itself looks very clean. I'm just not so sure that the grout looks any different, but we're going to do a side-by-side picture before and after, and let's see if it made a difference. Okay, so what did you think about the before and after? I'm still not even sure yet. I looked very carefully, and we all know that the floor is clean, right? I mean, I took and lined the grout lines very carefully and thoroughly with the cleanser. I went out and did my walk. So actually, I came back and I showered and everything. So it was on quite a long time. And then I scrubbed it with a brush, mopped it, steam mopped it, and then I mopped it again with Mop and Glow. So we know that the floor is clean. I just don't know if I see a real drastic difference. What I might do is I might take a few pictures like really close up, because I don't know what else to do other than maybe have the tile completely grouted again and sealed again. I don't know. Or we might try the Simply Green. What do you think? Let me know. But anyway, thanks for coming by and hanging out with me for this very unusual content for my channel. And make sure that if you are not subscribed, that you hit that subscribe button before you go. I would absolutely appreciate it. And don't forget to thumbs it up as well. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy out there, and definitely keep it sassy. Give me some suggestions if you think something else might work better. I'm open.